Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we have two very similar sounds, A and A. So let's just dive in and start with the sound A. It can be spelled a lot of different ways. And you'll find it in words like manger, aller, violer, objet, chez, été, tuer, des, pied. Explore our desktop or mobile app to find all of these words, learn and practice with them on your commute to work or at home, and use them in your conversations at work or on your trips. Our second sound for today is A that can also be spelled a couple of different ways. And it can be found in words like mais, anglais, français, or in 13, 16, le lait, and la reine. So to recap today, we took a look at the sound A and A. And to give you one last final example, neiger is a good way to compare these two sounds. You can also find it in élève. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friend. Make sure to check Mango's website to keep learning and practicing. Thanks for watching et à bientôt.